Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Nissan Pathfinder sun visor. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself with just a few basic tools. First, gather your materials: a new sun visor assembly, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your work area is well lit and clear. We will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful replacement process in about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, let's begin by removing the old sun visor. Start by gently prying off the small plastic cover at the base of the visor using your flathead screwdriver. Once exposed, you will see 2 or 3 Phillips head screws. Carefully unscrew these. If your visor has a vanity light, gently disconnect the electrical connector. Finally, slide the entire old visor assembly out of its mounting bracket. Take your time to avoid damaging the headliner. With the old visor removed, it is time to install your new one. First, if applicable, reconnect the electrical wiring from the new visor to the vehicle's harness. Next, align the new visor assembly with the mounting holes. Insert the 2 or 3 Phillips head screws and tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten. Finally, snap the plastic cover back into place over the mounting base until it clicks. You are almost done. Great job! Now for the final checks. Move your new sun visor up and down to ensure it operates smoothly and stays in position. If your visor has a vanity light, turn it on to confirm it is working correctly. This entire process should have taken you about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember, always double-check your connections and screw tightness. You have successfully replaced your Nissan Pathfinder sun visor, enhancing your driving comfort and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.